સોનાટા સોફ્ટવેરના મેનેજમેન્ટ આપણી સાથે જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે, એની સાથે આપણે વાત કરીશું. અત્યારે આપણે જુઓ રેવન્યુઝ 18% સુધી વધતા દેખાયા છે. એબિટના ફ્રન્ટ ઉપર જુઓ તો ત્યાં 9.5%ની સામે આપણને 8% ઉપર રહેતા દેખાયા છે અને પેટ 4.5% વધતો દેખાયો છે. આઈટી સર્વિસીસના રેવન્યુઝ જુઓ તો એ ક્વાર્ટર ઓન ક્વાર્ટર 1.6% અને યર ઓન યર બેઝ પર 22% વધતા દેખાયા છે. તો આ પ્રાઇમરી આંકડાઓ છે. આના ઉપર વધુ વાત કરીએ. કંપનીના મેનેજમેન્ટ આપણી સાથે જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે, CFO જગન્નાથ ચક્રવર્તી. Mr. Jagannath, welcome to CNBC Bazaar. First of all, as we see in your figures, your domestic business outlook is showing much strength, as well as international market on year-on-year basis also showing a strength. Which are the main factors leading to this growth, and do you think this momentum will sustain in further quarters?
In fact, the coming quarters in this year, we see a much better momentum than this first quarter. What has happened? As we have told earlier, particularly the travel vertical, we see it will be better off in the say H2 of this year. This quarter we had impact because of COVID and absenteeism, and we could know the difficulty in replacing people or adding people, recruitment completion. All those things had a supply side challenge. Demand is not a challenge at all. We believe that the IT boom at present is going to be there for a couple of years together, and very strong momentum is there in the business, on the international business. Margins will remain at the current level itself. With the current offshore on-site, I think the margins will continue at the same level. We will in fact there'll be an improvement in the coming quarters in the margin perspective. And in the domestic business, the demand is very good, particularly cloud related products. The demand is very good, and we believe that this is going to really help the India business going very strongly. If you see, this business is one of the rarest of value added reselling business having positive cash flow. There is no working capital investment in the business. Margin is very stable. The revenue growth has been very strong. Our gross contribution, which is what we follow to measure the performance of the business, has grown from 3.5% quarter on quarter. Very strong growth in India business. We believe the international business will bounce back very strongly from Q2 of this year.
Okay. And sir, what is your reaction about on Europe segment? As we've seen in past comments, you've seen that second half is in Europe travel business is showing much more strength. So which kind of expectation we can see in second half in terms of revenues?
As mentioned by our CEO last quarter after the year end, we believe the second half of this year will be better. There is some uncertainty there because of lockdown is happening. They are opening up. Again, the lockdown is coming in. So with the vaccination coming in, we feel that there can be a little bit more stability in the operations, and down the line in couple of quarters, the market will open up and the travel will also open up. We believe the second half of this year will be better.
Sir, tell us some details about on any big deal you closed in second Q1 or any big client addition.
The number of clients addition has been really good for this quarter. We added 13 clients this quarter. So the demand side, we are not seeing any issues at all. With the acquisition of Encore, which is actually adding one more service line to us, one more horizontal to us, the cloud services for our US market being added in this space. This plus we are also entering into healthcare as well as the logistics as a vertical. We believe this is going to be very helpful in our growth in the coming quarter. This acquisition is also EBITDA accretive for us and EPS accretive also. It's so we believe that this business is going to this is going to add to the already the momentum and the demand for us with the customers. Very strong momentum. The only challenge was the supply side, which we are addressing at present by recruiting more people in this coming days, addressing the attrition issue with not only with the salary increase, other engagement activities also. Apart from it, we also wanted to open delivery centers overseas to manage the risk, so that in future if there is any issues comes in, we will be able to spread across the risk to various geographies. We are opening overseas delivery centers in couple of countries to serve the customers better.
So that's a good thing. Encore gives you benefits from your recent acquisition. Then, sir, my next question is regarding on that. How is the utilizations in this quarter, and what is the attrition rate, and do you plan anything for the new hiring?
Was a little high, like a last quarter. We are doing a campus addition, as well as we are addressing various engagement activities for people to address to the attrition issues. But what we believe is in next couple of quarters it will become a little bit more stable. So we believe that our addition, our focus on people, and our focus on creating value to the customers is going to help us address this challenge also for people.